Today's word has two meanings that don't exactly relate to each other. Let's see how and why. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have the word TİKMÄK, TİKMÄK or TİKMEY, because it can mean to sew, to build, or to stitch. Let's see some phrases first. To sew on a button, to build a house, to stitch a seam. Düyməni TİKMƏK or Düymə TİKMЭK, to sew on a button. Düymə is a button. Ev TİKMEK, to build a house, like literally from scratch. Dikiş TİKMEK, to stitch a seam or just to stitch. It means that too. Let's see some sentences. I'll be using both of those. Let's first build a house and then we'll be stitching. Let's build a house. Ailəmiz üçün sakit məhəllədə günəşli, geniş pəncərəli bir ev tikməyi planlaşdırırıq. Because tikmək by itself is to build. We need to see build what exactly. Let's see. We are planning to build a sunny house with large windows in a quiet neighborhood for our family. Now, ailəmiz üçün for our family. Sakit məhəllədə, məhəllə is a neighborhood. In a quiet neighborhood, günəşli bir ev, a sunny house, or geniş pəncərəli bir ev, with the large windows, house with the large windows. You need both of those. Günəşli, geniş pəncərəli. Sunny house with large windows. Tikməyi planlaşdırırıq. We are planning to build. Okay? Now comes stitching. Dərzi ziyafət paltarını tikmək üçün parçanı kəsib hazırladı. Let's see. The tailor is dərzi. Cut and prepared the fabric to make or sew the evening gown. Ziyafət paltarı, the evening gown. Evening gown. Ziyafət paltarını the evening gown. Tikmək üçün to make, to sew. Parçanı kəsib hazırladı. Cut and prepared the fabric. The tailor dərzi. Dərzi ziyafət paltarını tikmək üçün parçanı kəsib hazırladı. That's how you use the word tikmək. How else to use it? Maybe that joke? I want to tikmək a legacy that touches the clouds. Not so that joke. Maybe some people wishes to do that. Good luck. And good luck with learning Azerbaijani language. If you are interested in learning it better, much more structured way, I can help you with Master Azerbaijani app that I have built, which is available in App Store and Google Store. I can also help you with cultural historical context more through masterazerbaijani.com. If you are happy by learning a word a day, come back tomorrow. Cheers.